Hi, Assalamualaikum and Salam Sejahtera. My name is Nurul Azim Fariza binti Abdul Hadi. My matric number is S52600 and my supervisor is Dr. Jaganjivan. The title of my research is A Model Symbiosis Association between Seaport and City. Introduction. Port and city is independent with each other. Port is not only a place of distribution center, but also a place of commercial activity and economic catalyst. Relationship between port and city is interconnected with each other, where we can see increased port activity resulted in greater urban activity, and increased urban activity contributed to an increase in port activity. Problem statement I have four. First, air pollution. Second, lack of planning development for port city. Third, sustainable for city. Four, affecting the living standard of the resident. This is my research question and research objective. My research objective is to identify the contribution port to city and to identify the contribution city to port. Literature review for identify the contribution port to city, I have five. First, pollution, congestion and accident. Second, a port contributes to the port city transport infrastructure, economic growth of the city from diverse perspective. Third, the transportation opportunities lead to development of city. For growth of the port activity give a positive effect to the urban development. And five, port construction or expanding activity may create noise and other pollution. Literature review for identifying the contribution city to port, I have three. First, urban development and growth of neighboring port activity. Second, the port act as transportation hub for the local area. Third, the city provide easy access to the main trade routes. The method that I have used in this research is semi-structured interview, which is providing opportunities to the both side researcher and to the respondent, where it can help to discuss certain topic in more detail. I have used thematic analysis to analyze my qualitative data. Thematic analysis involve identifying descriptive themes from the original data of other study and developing overarching analytic themes that develop new concept or explanation. This is the result that I've transferred coding to the themes. This from the result, I get three positive contribution port to city. First, social contribution. Port a significant job creator. There will be more employment opportunities, especially for the resident or community that live near to the port. Economic development contribution. Port are significant sources of revenue proposition because it benefit to the economy as well as the local community. The infrastructure at the port can contribute to better logistic performance. Facilities contribution, which is port has indirectly contributed to the increase in population, employment and rapid economic growth. With the ability of many facilities, efficiency in transportation can also be increased to a more efficient level. Positive contribution port to city, I have two. First, facilitation. City is maritime and logistic hub. Due to comply with the city demand, the infrastructure and facility at the port will improve from time to the time. Second, port-city connection. Without the ability of road facility in the city, the process of cargo distribution will be more difficult. Negative contribution port to city, I have three. First, pollution. There are some pollution that occurs such as noise pollution and air pollution. This noise pollution results from ship engine and machine having vehicle that used in the port for the purpose of loading, unloading and operation in the port. Smoke emission from ship machine will emit smoke carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide and dust from the handling of substances such as grain, sand and coal. High risk zone. Massive movement from heavy vehicles such as haulage, truck and overweight cargo movement can cause damage to the roads. Dangerous zone. For the dangerous zone, as mentioned in the pollution section, the pollution will have a very bad impact on the resident living near the port. For negative contribution city to port, I have to first delay. Increased freight throughput at a port can cause congestion on urban transportation network, which can have a detrimental impact on the port. Congestion can cause delay in delivering cargo. Second, spatial limitation. Land use impact in port development occurs because port and cities compete in obtaining land and maintaining their respective areas. So, for the conclusion, this relationship between port and city not only have a positive contribution but also have a negative contribution on each other. To develop a balanced contribution between the port and the seaport and the city, various aspects need to be analyzed to gain an equal benefit from and to both of these components. Thank you.